One thing I'm grateful for today, and even the last 48 hours more so, is my desire to experiment in the kitchen coming back. When I was younger, I used to love picking different flavors, textures, and colors and putting them together, and yeah, just making an intuitive decision on how to make food. So I made this today after being inspired by an Instagram post last night. So basically it's quinoa, pear, because I didn't have any apple, cinnamon and cacao with some honey. Let's see how it tastes. Flavoursome. I definitely... Oh, I just had an idea. I'm going to add some frozen berries on top and enjoy the different flavors, colors, and textures and temperatures. Yum yum! Do you like experimenting in the kitchen? What is one of your favorite things that you've created?